Ford just dropped a bombshell. The 2026 F-150 isn't just another truck. It's a complete game changer. The CEO revealed 4 shocking upgrades that promise to leave every competitor in the dust. Today, we're breaking down these changes. And trust me, by the end, you'll see why the F-150 is unstoppable. Setting the stage. Before we reveal the shocking changes, let's understand why the F-150 matters. The Ford F-150 isn't just a truck. It's an American legend. For decades, it's dominated sales charts, towing competitions, and off-road challenges. Every new model comes with expectations, but the 2026 F-150 is different. Ford isn't just improving, they're redefining what a pickup can do. And the CEO's announcement confirmed it. The 2026 model comes packed with innovations that promise unmatched performance, technology, and utility. Today, we'll explore the 4 changes that are turning the pickup world upside down. Change number 1, revolutionary powertrain options. The first shocker, Ford completely revamped the F-150's powertrain lineup. Forget the old debate between V6 and V8. Now the 2026 F-150 offers more power, better efficiency, and even hybrid electric options that were unheard of before. The highlight is a 3.5L Power Boost hybrid, now upgraded to deliver 430 horsepower and 570 pound-foot of torque, making it more powerful than many traditional V8 as imagined, towing a massive trailer with a fuel economy of a V6. Yes, that's possible now. Then there's the F-150 Lightning, Ford's all-electric beast, which now boasts up to 580 horsepower and 775 pound-foot of instant torque. It's not just quick. It can tow up to 10,000 pounds while doubling as a mobile generator for your home or campsite. Even the V8 isn't left behind. The classic 5.0 LV8 got performance tweaks, delivering smoother acceleration and better towing reliability. Here's the takeaway. Ford isn't just giving buyers options, they're giving choices that dominate any scenario. City driving, towing, off-roading, or going fully electric. The 2026 F-150 isn't just a truck, it's a powerhouse that adapts to your lifestyle. Change number 2, next-level tech integration. The second shocker, technology. The 2026 F-150 is no longer just a rugged workhorse, it's a high-tech powerhouse. Ford integrated the largest touchscreen in F-150 history, a massive 15.5-inch vertical display with intuitive controls, voice commands, and smart home connectivity. Think of it as a command center on wheels. You can monitor your truck, adjust towing settings, control your smart garage, or even check your home security while on the road. Then there's Ford's Co-Pilot 360 2.0, upgraded for the 2026 model. Adaptive cruise, lane sensing, and semi-autonomous highway driving now feel smoother and safer than ever. Combined with advanced sensors and cameras, the F-150 can detect obstacles, predict road conditions, and even assist in tight parking situations. Here's a jaw-dropper. The Pro Power onboard system now offers up to 9.6 kilowatts of exportable power, enough to run tools on construction site or appliances at a campsite. Your truck is no longer just transportation, it's a portable power hub. The message is clear. Ford isn't just keeping up with tech trends, they are setting them. Competitors will struggle to match a pickup that's this smart and capable. Change number 3, unmatched off-road capability. The third shocker, off-road dominance. Ford's engineers have completely reimagined the F-150's off-road capabilities for 2026. Introducing the FX4 Off-Road Package 2.0, featuring adaptive terrain management, electronically locking differentials, and a redesigned suspension system. Trails, mud, sand, or rocky slopes, the F-150 can handle it all with confidence. Ford also added trail control with precision throttle modulation, allowing the truck to crawl over extreme terrain almost autonomously. This is game-changing for off-road enthusiasts who demand control without constant micro-adjustments. The ground clearance has been optimized for better approach, departure, and breakover angles. Combined with tougher skid plates and reinforced frame components, the 2026 F-150 is ready for any adventure or worksite challenge. Here's the kicker. Competitors might offer off-road packages, but Ford's integration of power, technology, and safety systems ensures the 2026 F-150 doesn't just participate, it dominates. You can climb, haul, and navigate terrain that would stop other trucks in their tracks. Change number 4, interior comfort and luxury. The fourth and perhaps most surprising change, the interior. Ford has redefined what it means to be comfortable in a pickup. The 2026 F-150 isn't just about rugged power. It's about luxury and convenience too. High-end trims now feature premium leather seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, a first for the F-150 lineup. The cabin has been redesigned with more legroom, improved noise insulation, and ambient lighting that rivals luxury SUVs. Ford also upgraded connectivity options, including 5G Wi-Fi hotspot capability, wireless charging, and seamless smartphone integration. This isn't just a work truck, it's a mobile office, entertainment hub, and family-friendly space. Even storage has been revolutionized. Hidden compartments, modular storage systems, and under-seat bins make the F-150 more organized and practical than ever. And for families, optional rear seat screens and smart climate control ensure every passenger rides in comfort. Here's the insight. Ford has understood that modern truck buyers want both power and comfort. The 2026 F-150 gives you muscle under the hood and luxury under your hands, a combination that truly sets it apart from competitors. The big picture. So, what does all this really mean for truck lovers and buyers? The 2026 Ford F-150 isn't just another model rolling off the assembly line. It's a bold statement from Ford. With this generation, Ford is proving that a pickup truck can be more than just brute force. It can combine raw power, advanced technology, off-road mastery, and true interior luxury all in one package. This isn't about small improvements. It's about redefining what a modern truck should be. Each of the 4 shocking changes we've discussed, the revamped powertrains, which now include hybrid and electric options, the cutting-edge tech that turns your truck into a smart, connected command center, the unmatched off-road capability ready for the toughest rain, and the luxury-focused interiors with comfort, storage, and connectivity, works together to make the 2026 F-150 a class of its own. Competitors like RAM, Silverado, and other full-size pickups suddenly find themselves playing catch-up because Ford isn't just meeting expectations, it's blowing them out of the water. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a family driver, or someone who hauls heavy loads every day, this F-150 is built to adapt to your lifestyle without compromise. You get performance, intelligence, durability, and comfort in a single truck, something no other pickup can truly match. Conclusion. Ford CEO made it clear, the 2026 F-150 isn't just keeping up, it's leading. These 4 shocking changes will redefine the pickup segment, combining power, intelligence, adventure, and luxury in one unbeatable package. So next time you're in the market for a truck, remember, the F-150 isn't just a choice, it's a benchmark. The question isn't whether you should get one, it's how fast can you get behind the wheel before everyone else catches up. Like, share, and subscribe for more.